Hello, what is up mga moms or sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Batman armored suit from the Batman vs. Superman Dawn of Justice. Okay, so first measure muna natin si Batman. He's around 7.75 inches tall. The width around 3.75 and the depth around 1.5 inches. Okay, shake test muna natin. Okay, wala namang loose na joints. And shout out to Collector's Quest. Sa kanya ko to nabili. And also the Wonder Woman. I think matagal na rin kasi itong stock sa akin. I think pumasok yung pre-order ko. Tapos nung lumabas na yung mga stocks, nandun na yung binigay na sa akin sa nagsend na ng invoice and then binayaran na natin. Tapos dumating na sa headquarters natin tong Armored Batman and the Wonder Woman. Okay, first impressions, yung paint application, yung ginamit nila dito ng paint ay silver, and meron ding mga weathering na ginawa dito, yung mga scratches, physical weathering and also weathering using paint. Ang ganda lang ginawa nila dito na may mga scratches, mga very deep mga punctures dun sa armor design, and gumamit din sila ng silver for dry brushing. Meron ding wash dito sa utility belt, and you also have the belt here sa kanyang shoulders to hold the cape. Actually yung cape nandito sa part na to, sa may taas ng kanyang chest armor, or dito sa may shoulder area. And then the eyes, meron siyang blue na outline dun sa shape ng eyes, and then you have the face plate. Hindi napapalitan yung plate, and hindi rin LED version yung kanyang eyes. Hindi rin nare-remove yung belt. Nakaglue na rin tong belt strap. Actually mas maganda tong ginawa nila dito na nakaglue, kasi dun sa Funjoy natatanggal naman. Very weak yung yung strap design. So kapag binalik ko, igugulo ko na lang siya para hindi na matanggal. In terms of sculpt, this is bulkier than the Funjoy. Actually gagawa tayo ng separate na comparison video. The armor is very bulky. This is silver na color palette, silver gray. Yung gray nila dito nasa cool tone, so you have merong blue na hue, and you have the gold with wash. Meron din dito sa kanyang gauntlet design. Okay, so let's zoom in para makita natin yung mga head armor details. Ganda ng cowl design. So you have the very pointed nose, short ears, very metallic paint finish. Hindi lang dito sa kanyang chest matte yung finish, pero dito sa may head mas reflective yung paint na ginamit. Dito na-absorb na yung light, dito nire-reflect niya. And then sa chest armor, very bulky. I like the strap design na hindi gumagalaw, it's very stable. And also the cape's wired cape, and it is gray na textured cape. And then meron din distressed din yung tip ng, or yung babang part ng cape niya, kasi ito yung sumasayad sa ground. Okay, also you have the shoulder armors, very nice shoulder armors. Soft plastic yung ginamit para hindi mahinder yung articulation. Also have the inner suit, armor parts or armor plates sa kanyang stomach. You have utility belt, crotch piece, and then you have the legs, metallic leg, very large legs for stability. And ito yung thighs na knee armors, very nice, very regular shape or box shaped. And then you have the boot design with the gold na sharp sections. Ito medyo matalas tong section na to, ingat kayo dito. Yung gold paint dito medyo may overspray lang na onte dun sa kanyang boot design dito sa silver part. Okay, so that's painted gold dito rin sa part na to. Ang gusto kong ginawa nila dito, may dry brushing, merong wash na ginawa para mas maging weathered or ma-highlight yung mga deep areas or ma-emphasize yung mga deep areas and ma-highlight naman yung mga naka-rise na mga areas or mga nakaangat na mga areas like this. Tulad nito, na-emphasize yung cracks kapag merong black. Tapos kapag merong highlights naman, o dry brushing na highlights na emphasize din yung area na to, yung mga negative na spaces. Okay? Okay, in terms of articulation, actually yung accessories niya wala pala. Ano lang, dalawa lang. Dalawang kamay lang. Isang parang gripping hand and one extra fist. That's it. Sa articulation, Batman can look up, down, tilt, and I think pwede ba ito mag 360? Pwede mag 360, okay? Pwede. Pero medyo mahirap kasi naghinder, nabablock nung belt strap. Okay? Tapos meron siyang collar, very large na collar design to protect para maipit yung cape. Ganda rin ang cape design. You have the wired cape and yung cloth na ginamit nila dito is a textured kind of cloth na mayroong rugged parts sa ilalim or rugged parts below. Okay, for the chest armor, ito pala, articulation na pala tayo. Okay, ito flexible yung kanyang shoulder armor for articulation. Up, oh nice. Okay, rotation, bicep rotation, I think meron. Wait lang, may cut ba to? Okay. Meron, pero medyo mahirap. Wait lang. Okay, medyo di ko mapihit tong joint na to. So hindi ko na muna siya gagalawin. Dito sa part na to, meron namang siyang rotation or arm rotation. Tapos elbow, medyo konti lang yung articulation niya. Konti lang yung bend, less than 90 degrees. And this one, yung kanyang torso, you can do the ab crunch like that far and stretch that far. You can also rotate 360. Meron ding cut dito sa ilalim sa may waist area. Okay, hindi mo na pwedeng i-pull down itong legs niya, pero pwede rin siya mag-kick that far. Very nice kasi very soft plastic itong kanyang crotch piece. You can also twist inner, outer. Wala na palang outer. Yan. Tapos, nice. Pwede mag-bend more than 90 degrees. This is nice. Yung kanyang foot bend. Okay? Ball joint yung paa. Meron din siyang toe articulation. Meron din pala siyang detail dito. Spike din yung kanyang feet. Just like the McFarlane, just like the Fun Joy. This is very nice. Nice touch. Para magkaroon ng additional grip yung kanyang paa. Okay, ang alam ko meron pa isang version nito. I think that's the platinum version. Pero yun yung merong spear. I think pwede naman pahawak to. This is the FunJoy spear. I think pwede naman natin pahawak to kay Armored Batman. Wait lang Yes, I think pwede naman niyang hawakan yung Kryptonite spear from FunJoy. And then I think pwede rin niya hawakan to, yung grenade launcher. Yan. I think yung platinum yun yung mas darker version kaysa dito. This is more of like silver. Tapos yung platinum version, I think meron siyang glow na green paint dito sa kanyang right side. Para paghawak niya yung spear, parang nag-glow yung light dito from the spear to the right side of his body. So yun lang mga ma'am, sir, ma'am, that's it. Yun yung review natin dito sa McFarlane Toys na Armored Batman. Kung gusto niyo makabili nito mga ma'am, sir, ma'am, punta lang kayo sa Shopee. I think meron pa sa Shopee or sa Marketplace. Again, shout out to Collector's Quest for this very, very amazing McFarlane Toys na Batman. Very nice addition sa inyong McFarlane Toys the Batman DC Multiverse na display. So yun mga ma'am, sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.